Welcome to our channel, that is Solid Master. So today we will make our new model, that is helical spring. As you can see that we have made this spring in Creo 3.0 version. In this I will show you how to use the helical sweep command, like the sweep we have used here, sweep feature. I hope you seen it. So let's go to make it. Go to file, new, select your part and subtype will be solid, and here untick this use default template option and simply just click OK. Now here it tells which unit we will choose here in our template. So choose here MMNS part solid and click OK. Now our new window has appeared. Now simply just go to front plane, or you can go in model tree also. Choose here front plane, sketch, normal to profile, and here choose center line from sketch tool command manager and make the center line from origin point and press the middle mouse button. Now go to line tool command, make here one line and press the middle mouse button double time. Now here already the dimensions has given, just we have to modify this. So first one I will make here 50 mm radius, and here height will be 305 mm. OK. Now click OK and go to here sweep, underscroll this sweep tool command option and select here helical sweep. Select here this line and here pitch will be 30.5 mm, 30.5, sorry, not and select here create edit sweep section. Select this icon and here choose the circle and here select this line only that we have created earlier. Press here double click mouse button and here make diameter as 20 mm. OK. Now simply just go on OK. As you can see here our spring has created. This is the preview of it. Pitch is also given here. As you see, you can see the preview of it by clicking on this icon. Exit and finally click OK. But before I go it, you can change the direction by using this use left-handed rule. You can change the direction where it starts from, or you can go also in right-handed rule also, but I will choose here right-handed rule. So click OK. Now our spring is created. Simply just deselect all these planes and I will go to here render tool command manager. Select here appearances. I will select here blue color and here we will select the whole model. So click this on model tree this model name and click OK. Now it looks nice, and here I will go to render window and just click OK. Now you can see it looks very nice, as you see here. I will show you again. If you move the mouse button, that it will go, so I will keep it as it is. This is a perspective view that you can see here. I will deselect this. So here our model has completed. I hope you like it. So subscribe our channel for more informative videos and for more projects. Thank you for watching it.